Welcome back to PM Edition. Moving on. Do you know why government has delayed to reopen schools? The public has been pinned. The Ministry of Health says the slow attitudes towards the vaccination exercise are responsible for government's decision to stand its ground.
The uncertainty of when schools are expected to reopen has haunted parents and schools operators for a while now. Many have since asked the government to follow the benchmark set by other countries in the region like Rwanda and Kenya that have managed to reopen the school amidst the COVID-19 pandemic.
When people say, why can't we do like other countries in the region? Always ask, what did the other countries do to get where they are? Are we willing to walk that journey? The
spokesperson, Minister of Education, Dr. Dennis Mujimba, says the public response to COVID-19 vaccination is critical in the reopening of schools.
Vaccination is the major factor that is going to determine how quickly we can safely reopen.
He also adds that unless specified number of teachers is vaccinated, schools will remain closed.
The quicker we can get our teachers and teaching staff vaccinated, the faster it will be for us to reopen safely.
According to the Ministry of Education, there are 730,000 teaching and non-teaching staff who must be vaccinated, but only 269,455 have so far been vaccinated, a number that is still clear low of how many need to be vaccinated before schools can reopen. Although the ministry does acknowledge unhurried importation of vaccines by government, the poor response to COVID-19 vaccination has been blamed on social media.
The spread of wrong information is much faster nowadays than it were before. So one wrong thing can get communicated to 5 million people within 10 minutes on social media.
COVID-19 vaccination kicked off in March this year. It has since been extended to cover tertiary institutions.
If you're less than 18 years and you're a tertiary education institution student, please don't go for vaccination because we don't have a vaccine that is appropriate for you.
Meanwhile, Uganda this afternoon received over 1.6 million doses of Pfizer from the United States of America, making it the largest consignment of any COVID-19 vaccines received to date. Officials from the national medical stores were at the airport to receive the vaccines. Ramson Mhire, SEETV PM Edition.